OMG, can't tell you how happy and glad I am to do this long form video after a really long time. So today's video is all about my collective haul that I collected in the month of September. I picked up these items during these festive season and I got these at a great deal. So if you guys are interested what all things I picked up, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So first product is from PAC and I picked up their Spotlight Cream Blush. Now this is in the shade Velvet Rose. You will find the shade name on the outer packaging itself and you get a very good quality mirror, and that's how the shade Velvet Rose actually looks like. I'm not going to give you a swatch at the moment. I'm going to do a complete review on this, so keep an eye if you're interested. Next I picked up Real Techniques Complexion Brush. It is Real Techniques RT241 brush. This comes with this angled edge like this with a flat edge, and I really love these kind of brushes to apply my foundation, my blush, my contour. And I was looking out for another multi-purpose brush. I haven't tried it out. I am surely going to do a review on this. Next I've picked up this eyelash definer, or you can say eyelash separator from The Good Club, and it was really very affordable, like under 150, and that is how it looks like. It comes with a protector, and this is how the eyelash separator looks like. Sometimes you have your mascara which is very clumpy, and then this product comes really handy. Next I picked up these trial kits from Fay Beauty, and it is their Face Card Super Serum Skin Tint. I picked up the shade light to medium and medium to tan. I will be giving you swatches talking about this skin tint, whether it is meant for our Indian skin tone, because they have given us 30 diverse shades and comes with various undertones. Next I picked up this new Blue Heaven BB and tint. This is in the shade 302 Honey Tan. That's how the inner packaging looks like. I have already posted a short video on this, and unfortunately I was not happy with the shade range, so I was contemplating whether to get it or not. I really want Blue Heaven to extend their shade range. Please come with at least 20 shades so that it can be useful for our deeper skin tone category, because the formulation is something I really loved. Next I had to restock on my favorite minimalist 2% hyaluronic acid serum. This was from Myntra. I saw this on great discount and I had to restock on this because this is something I like to include in my day-to-day skincare routine, and I even wear this under my makeup, and I have noticed that it keeps my makeup really hydrated. My skin also looks very plump and fresh. Next I picked up this L'Oreal Infallible Skin Tint, but this time I picked up the shade 4 to 5 medium. I already had the shade 6 to 7 tan, which I already reviewed on my channel. This, once you apply, it looks a good match, but after it oxidizes it gets very dark, so I wanted a lighter shade to mix with this, and I think I have done a pretty good job, because once you mix these two it comes to my skin tone color. Next I picked up this cushion foundation from Ingredients, and it is their Skin Barrier Glow Cover Cushion Foundation. My shade is 31N Sand, and it comes in a very selective shade range. I picked up this from Macro, and it comes with a very cute aesthetic packaging which I really loved. It comes with this kind of cushion, and then here is the product 31N Sand, which matches me perfectly. Next I had to restock on my Simple Hydrating Gel Cream. Now because it is a gel cream, you can use it for your dry skin as well, as they have mentioned, and I love to use this kind of texture especially during summer, because I want something very light for my skin as I sweat a lot. So I want something which is not very oily, which seeps into my skin immediately and provides me with great hydration, which this one does. Next I picked up another shade from Swiss Beauty Select Cushion Mousse Eyeshadow. I really love the formulation, so I had to pick up another shade, and this one is in the shade Illuminating, and that's how the shade looks like. Oh my god, feels so soft and smooth to touch, just like butter. That's how the shade Illuminating looks like. I think it is perfect for this festive season when you want something which is not too stark but something which is wearable. Next I picked up Clio Essential Lip and Cheek Tap, again from Macaron, and the shade I picked up for myself is 06 Apple Garden. Look at the packaging, and when you see the shade, it looks very intimidating, but it is not actually, because it gives you a very beautiful natural flush of color which you can totally build up if you want to, and it is very moisturizing, nourishing, and gives you that dewy finish. Next, I picked up this Laneige lip sleeping marks in the variant berry, and this is a mini size. You get 8 grams of product. Now I am talking from my own experience that this 8 grams of product lasts me a really good time, and it is my absolute holy grail, my savior, because recently my lips was going through a lot. It was going through a rough patch, so I used this and it healed and recovered my lips. Next, I got this Mars Artist Arsenal foundation brush. I have been collecting Mars brushes a lot lately, and whenever I see them on discount, I have to grab it, and the bristles are really soft and smooth. It is not very dense. I have not used it, so let's see how it performs. Next, I picked up this new lipstick range from Nykaa, and it is their Ultra Silk Hydrating Lipstick. The two shades I picked up for myself is Vibin and Poppin. Let me just give you a swatch. So this is the shade Poppin. Oh my god, this is such a gorgeous color, and this shade is called Vibin, and this is another gorgeous brown shade, which is a perfect brown. If you are someone a little bit lighter than my skin tone, it is going to work for you, and these are very hydrating and very much nourishing on the lips. Next, I picked up this Inside Cosmetics Limit Lash Mascara for limitless glam, and it is smudge proof. I already have a review on this. Let me tell you, I'm not very happy with the mascara because it is not the formulation, you guys. Mascara is never about the formulation, it's about the applicator, the brush that you get along. So it comes with this kind of twisted, spirally bristles like this, but it does not add any volume or length to my lashes. Next, I picked up this new eye color eyeshadow palette from Nykaa in the shade 08. You get couple of other shades to choose from, but I was attracted towards this, and I have not yet tried it out. It is completely sealed, you can see. So this has two mattes, one holographic or multi-chrome, and one satin shade. So I will try and review it on my channel and let you guys know how is the formulation actually and whether it shows up on our Indian brown skin. Now, while shopping from Nykaa, I received few freebies. So here is the first one. It is a trial pack from L'Oreal Professional, their Absolute Repair Molecular, which is going to repair, restore and protect your hair. So it comes in this kind of sachet like this. I was really eyeing to grab this range, but I was not sure. This time I can try it and make my mind whether I want to get a full size of these. Next, I got this another trial pack from Moxie Beauty, and you get one shampoo and conditioner. This is their Hyaluronic Repairing Shampoo and Hyaluronic Repairing Conditioner. I was really tempted to get this, but I wasn't sure whether it is going to suit my hair type or not. Good thing Nykaa have included this as a freebie so that I can try it out and see how it is for my hair type. And the last freebie is a lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, and it is their matte lipstick in the shade Pink Curve. That's how the shade looks on me. It's a very bright fuchsia pink with cool undertone because it has a little bit of blue undertone to it. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.